Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening VLC and loading the video you want to watch. Once the file is playing, make sure you can see whether subtitles are on. Embedded tracks engage automatically. Now move to the subtitle menu. This is where you control subtitle streams. Pause briefly if needed so you can click through menus without losing your place in the video. This first step sets up direct access to subtitle controls so you can remove or switch tracks quickly. Now go to Subtitles, then Subtrack, and choose Disable to stop subtitles immediately. This removes both embedded and external tracks from the display. If the video contains multiple tracks, you can instead select the desired language. That's useful when you only need a different subtitle, not none. Remember the keyboard shortcut. Pressing V cycles through available subtitle tracks and disable, so it's faster than menus. Make sure to watch a few seconds. If subtitles persist because an external SRT file is present, disable subtrack as above and then remove or rename the SRT file to stop auto-loading next time. For persistent auto-loads, open Tools Preferences, go to Subtitles/OSD and uncheck Auto-Detect Subtitle Files so VLC won't load external subtitles automatically. Once done, restart VLC to apply changes. Troubleshooting tip: if subtitles still show, reset preferences or clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.